Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your home for the latest camera reviews, gear guides, and photography tips. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best beginner cameras in 2025, the perfect picks for anyone starting their photography or videography journey this year. From easy-to-use controls to impressive image quality and budget-friendly prices, these cameras make it simple to capture stunning shots without feeling overwhelmed. Direct hit whether you're a student, a travel enthusiast, or someone just getting into content creation. This list will help you choose the best beginner-friendly camera for your needs. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get into the countdown of the best beginner cameras in 2025. Number 5, Nikon Z52. The Nikon Z52 is a compact and powerful mirrorless camera that truly shines for both photography and videography. Building on the success of the original Z50, this upgraded version features faster performance, improved autofocus, and excellent low-light capabilities. Its 20.9 MP APS-C sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images with natural colors, while the 4K video recording without crop makes it a great option for vloggers and content creators. The lightweight body, combined with Nikon's ergonomic design, ensures it's comfortable to hold for long shoots, making it a perfect travel-friendly camera. What really sets the Z52 apart is its enhanced autofocus system. Eye and face detection are more accurate and responsive, even in challenging lighting conditions. With dual card slots and improved connectivity options, it gives creators the reliability and flexibility they need. Whether you're upgrading from an entry-level DSLR or looking for a versatile mirrorless system that balances performance and portability, the Nikon Z52 is a fantastic choice for 2025. Number 4, Sony ZV-E1. The Sony ZV-E1 is one of the most exciting cameras designed specifically with content creators and vloggers in mind. It packs a powerful full-frame 12MP sensor, delivering stunning image quality with excellent low-light performance. The colors are natural, dynamic range is impressive, and Sony's renowned 4K recording up to 60 frames per second, with a future upgrade to 120 frames per second, makes it a true video powerhouse. Its compact size and lightweight build make it super portable, while features like the fully articulating touchscreen and intuitive controls ensure it's easy to use for creators at any level. What makes the ZV-E1 really stand out is its AI-powered autofocus and subject recognition, which keeps faces and eyes locked in focus seamlessly, even when you're on the move. The built-in stabilization, cinematic vlog settings, and crystal-clear audio options make it one of the best all-in-one cameras for YouTube, TikTok, and streaming in 2025. If you're looking for a professional-grade tool that delivers cinematic results without the bulk of larger cinema cameras, the Sony ZV-E1 is a top choice. Number 3, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes action cameras to the next level with its stunning image quality and rugged design. Equipped with a larger sensor and advanced stabilization, it delivers crisp 4K and even 6K footage with incredible dynamic range, making every shot look cinematic, whether you're biking down a mountain trail or snorkeling underwater. Its dual touchscreens are bright and responsive, giving you full control from any angle, while the waterproof and durable body ensures it can handle any adventure. What makes the Osmo Action 5 Pro stand out is its next-gen stabilization and low-light performance. DJI has refined its rock-steady technology, resulting in ultra-smooth footage even during extreme motion. The improved battery life and faster charging also mean you can shoot longer without interruptions. For vloggers, travelers, and extreme sports enthusiasts, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is not just an action camera, it's a reliable storytelling tool built for 2025's toughest adventures. Number 2, Panasonic Lumix DCG-9 II. The Panasonic Lumix DCG-9 II Pro is a powerhouse mirrorless camera that combines speed, reliability, and professional-grade image quality. Equipped with a 25.2 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor and Panasonic's latest phase hybrid AF system, it delivers sharp, detailed images and lightning-fast autofocus performance. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or fast-moving subjects, the burst shooting speeds and excellent tracking capabilities make it an ideal choice for action photographers. The build quality is equally impressive, rugged, weather-sealed, and designed to withstand demanding environments. On the video side, the G9 II Pro doesn't disappoint. It offers 5.8K Apple ProRes recording, 4K 120p slow motion, and outstanding in-body image stabilization, making it a versatile hybrid camera for both filmmakers and photographers. The improved color science, wide dynamic range, and dual card slots ensure professional reliability, while its intuitive controls and ergonomic design make long shoots comfortable. Overall, the G9 II Pro is a perfect blend of speed, durability, and high-end features, making it one of the best micro four thirds cameras available in 2025. Number 1. Fujifilm X106. The Fujifilm X106 is a dream camera for street photographers, travelers, and everyday creators. Building on the legacy of the X100 series, it brings a 40MP APS-C sensor paired with Fujifilm's legendary color science, delivering sharp, vibrant, and film-like images straight out of the camera. Its fixed 23mm f/2 lens is compact yet versatile, perfect for capturing candid moments, cityscapes, and portraits with stunning clarity. The hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder gives a unique shooting experience, allowing you to enjoy both the classic feel of rangefinder-style photography and the flexibility of a modern EVF. One of the biggest highlights of the X106 is the addition of in-body image stabilization (IBIS), a first for the X100 line, making handheld shooting smoother than ever even in low light. Combined with upgraded autofocus and improved video features, including 6.2K recording, this camera is not just for stills but also for hybrid shooters who want style and performance in one compact package. If you want a camera that's as much about the experience as it is about the results, the Fujifilm X106 is easily one of the most exciting releases of 2025. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.